In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect keyboard and mouse to Xbox Series X to play Fortnite. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Fortnite offers full keyboard and mouse support for consoles, so when you connect a keyboard and a mouse, you will be able to use them to navigate through the menus and, of course, most importantly, actually play the game. So any standard keyboard and mouse will do. I highly recommend using a USB cable to establish this connection. However, you can try to connect them wirelessly. Usually, unless a specific accessory is designed for Xbox, it won't have the necessary compatibility. So most peripherals will need to be used wired through a cable. So all that you have to do is locate the USB ports on your Xbox Series X. Once you locate any available USB port, simply plug in the keyboard and the mouse. There is no secret to this. As I've said before, any standard keyboard and mouse combo that works on Windows should work for the Xbox as well. So as long as you plug them in with a USB cable or through any other connection type, as long as you follow the manual and it states that it is compatible, you will be able to navigate through all of the menus. You can navigate through the Xbox menus themselves, or when you go inside of Fortnite, you will also be able to use them there. It doesn't matter what you do, most games and menus will fully support keyboard and mouse actions and inputs. However, some games won't have support at all. For example, GTA 5 doesn't recognize the keyboard and mouse, so it's important to always do research before trying to play a game. If you notice that a specific game besides Fortnite does not recognize the keyboard and the mouse, it's because that particular game lacks support. So keep all of that in mind and connect them through USB ports and open a compatible game to play them. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect keyboard and mouse to Xbox Series X Fortnite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.